Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use relay.app, the automation tool, and AI to turn a blog post into an automated Bluesky post. So what this automation does, it takes your blog post content from Notion. For example, we have here a blog post, which will load with some, it's just a very short blog post, and then post it to Bluesky automatically. So how does it work? You can see here the relay.app setup. So it takes the page in this database which meets a condition, uses the prompt GPT for O-Mini from ChatGPT, creates a post and updates the page in Notion. So let's see how it works, how it's in action. We click on start a test run. It shows us which page is relevant. We click on create a test run. And what we can see now is if we click on start the test run, we can see, all right, we triggered it. Now the prompt is doing something. It creates a post and it updates the Notion data page. So if we go in Notion, we can see now that this property is not in post to Bluesky anymore, but it is in posted to Bluesky because it just got posted. And if we go on Bluesky and we click on the little arrow here, we can see just now that this post got generated, marketing automation, set it up once, blah, blah, blah. And that's it. So this automation took our post, our blog post, which is quite long, about marketing automations, and turned it with the ChatGPT addition into a post and posted this post to Bluesky. We did this with the relay.app automation. Yeah, I hope this gave you an idea what you can create quite easily with relay.app. Put the link down below where you can go to this automation builder. If you're interested in how we exactly built this automation, I also put the link down below to our Patreon page. Thank you so much. Bye.